Hi, this video shows you how to create domain using command prompt for WebLogic, and this video assumes that you have already installed WebLogic successfully. And now we'll go and create domain. First go to domains directory of installed WebLogic. Here try to create any directory with any name. In my case I am creating with example underscore domain 3. So go inside example domain 3 and execute this particular command. So this command says it's actually a Java program which is creating a domain, and the first thing is your username and the password. This domain -d Dweblogic.Domain must match the created directory, so I am adding 3 to it. So this is just a name for your domain, and the listening port which I am changing to 9060, and -d Dweblogic.management.generate default configure equal to true says that you don't need to give any kind of confirmation once you start executing this particular command. And the last one, weblogic.Server, is the program which will create everything for you. So now it won't work because we didn't set the environment properly, so we should go back to server bin. Here execute set weblogic server environment command, come back to domain directory example domain 3, execute the command again. It should not work because the password what we have given is wrong. Here it says the invalid password exception. The password must at least 8 alphanumeric, so it must be alphanumeric. Let's add 1 2 3 to it, and let's say go. Now it will create your domain successfully, and by default it will start the domain for this particular command. So this is how you create WebLogic domain from command prompt, and whatever the example I've shown you is in Windows, and it should work the same way in Unix environment also. So that's it. If you have any kind of questions, comments, and this is my first video, so if you have any kind of suggestions, please put in the comment so that I can rectify all my mistakes in the next video. And this is how we have to run. It's up and running. Now if you say Ctrl+C, it's stopped. Now if you want to delete the domain, go back, say dir, remove this particular directory example underscore domain 3, remove the directory, then edit domain -registry